Hey guys, welcome to Jessie's Curls. This is Jess, and if you're new here, please subscribe, like and comment on this video. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how I get my sleek, low bun just using Eco Styler gel and a bit of leave-in conditioner. As my base for this bun, I use the I Am Detangling Conditioner just to be able to properly manipulate my hair. I'm also going to be applying peppermint oil and grapeseed oil just to make sure my scalp is nice and moisturised and prevent it from getting flaky. So I just massage that oil into my scalp and then tie away the section and do it to the rest. Okay, so I'm going to be starting off with the back two sections just by detangling it a bit so that everything lies down really flat. So to hold everything in place, I'm going to be using the Argan Oil version of the Eco Style Professional Styling Gel. It has an extremely thick consistency which is really good for coily and kinky hair. So first I start off by applying a small amount of the gel to the back section that I just detangled. I then take my brush just to smooth down the section so it's easy to tie away. I then use an ouchless hairband, which is a hairband without a metal join, just to tie down that section. So it's really important that this section that you tie down is extremely flat because that will determine how sleek your bun is going to be. And the parting between the front and the back doesn't have to be neat, just because it's going to be covered by the hair in the front. Okay, so I'm going to be taking my spray bottle, which is filled with lukewarm water, and I'm going to be saturating the front of my hair, just because these are two really big sections, so it just allows more movement in your hair and more flow, just so it's easier to tie your hair down. I'm then going to be using a rat tail comb just to make my middle parting neater. Now I'm going to be taking more gel to smooth down this top section. So because these side sections are so big, I'm going to be splitting them into two, just so that I can properly reach all of the hair under the top section. I'm going to be saturating it with water and then adding gel just to smooth that part down. I then use my brush just to smooth that whole section down and then move on to the other section. Now again, because the other section is so big, I'm just going to be splitting it in half so I can properly get to all the hair underneath that section. Okay, so now for my edges, I'm just going to be taking a hard toothbrush and I'm going to be using the 24-hour Edge Tamer by BUN. I think that's how you say BUN. And I'm just going to be using that to do my edges. I'm then going to take a bit more of that edge control and smooth it across my whole head just to seal everything in. Okay, so the hardest part of all of this is tying all your hair down, and I'm going to be using a large stretchy hairband just to tie all of the sections together. Okay, so I'm now going to be taking some bobby pins just for the sides of my hair because those parts are usually where my hair starts to unravel. So just as a precautionary measure, I'm putting them in. Okay, so because I didn't do this hairstyle on stretched hair, I'm going to make sure that my hair doesn't shrink by using hairbands to tie around the puff, just so that it can stretch throughout the night. Okay, so finally I'm going to be using a satin headscarf just to tie down my hair and seal everything in. That will also help with all the flyaways that are still there. And now I'm ready to go to bed. Okay, so it's the next morning and I'm ready to take my hair down. And as you can see, my hair's stayed flat. It's laid down all the flyaways. My hair's sleek and yeah, it looks really moisturized as well. So just to finish off, I'm going to be taking off those little hair bands I put on the puff so my hair remains stretched, and then I can show you the final look. And that is pretty much it for this video. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please subscribe, hit that notification bell, like this video, comment and share it, everything you want to do. Just thank you so much for watching again and see you in my next one.